The animal kingdom is home to some of the deadliest creatures on the planet. You do not want to wind up on the wrong side of these killing machines. Welcome to YouCurious, and today we are counting down the top 10 most dangerous predators on Earth. Polar bears. 10. Polar bears. I know what you're thinking. Polar bears, they're cute right when they're small, yes, but then they turn into adults. They grow to 8 feet tall and they become one of nature's most refined killing machines, but have been known in the past to drag whales weighing up to a ton onto dry land so that they can feed. Not only are they strong, but their thick white fur provides them with natural camouflage, making them incredibly hard to spot against the Arctic background. 9. Black mamba. The black mamba. There are many different types of snakes in the world, many of them venomous, but of those the most deadly is the black mamba from Southeast Africa. Its bite contains lethal neurotoxins which up until the fairly recent development of antivenoms had a mortality rate of 100. Not only is it venomous too, but incredibly fast, perhaps even the fastest snake on Earth, reaching speeds of up to 20 kilometers an hour, which it uses to pursue its prey, including small bush babies and even birds. Gray wolves. 8. Gray wolves. Gray wolves are among the most intelligent pack hunters in the world. These wolves hunt in packs and their territory can grow as large as 1,200 square miles, and it's been shown that they target animals that are too young, too weak, or too old to properly defend themselves. The gray wolf is also considered an endangered species due to hunting over the years, as it's perceived by many as a threat to other local wildlife as well as to humans. 7. Siberian tigers. Siberian tigers. It's an incredible animal, the largest big cat in the world, yet incredibly fast. Their senses are carefully attuned to allow them to track and to hunt their prey, and they're physically powerful enough to hold their own in fights with large animals including adult bears, and tend to have quite a lot of body fat which the tigers need to maintain energy and warmth in their natural cold climate. 6. Box jellyfish. Box jellyfish. Looking down into the sea now we find a slightly unassuming predator, the box jellyfish. While most jellyfish have a tendency to drift aimlessly through the ocean, box jellyfish have been shown to have intentional motion. This means they can intentionally pursue their prey, which includes zooplankton and other small fish. The box jelly's most dangerous quality is the venom which it can deliver, which is considered to be amongst the most deadly venoms in the world. 5. African lion. African lion. Now, despite being known popularly as the king of the jungle, lions don't actually live in jungles. They live on the open plains. They live and hunt in groups called prides on the open African plains. The female lions tend to do most of the hunting, while the males will stay home with their young. African lions have been known to hunt solo if they're in desperate need of food, and have also been shown to steal kills from other animals including hyenas and wild dogs. Great white shark. 4. The great white shark. The great white shark is among the most powerful predators in the world. Slick, fast, strong, and completely lethal. The great white shark is such a famous predator that it served as the basis for the book and then the movie Jaws. Typically, a great white shark will begin its kill by sinking its teeth into its prey, and then it will wait until the animal is weakened from blood loss and then move in for a relatively unchallenged kill. They can hear incredibly low frequencies that humans can't. They can see colors that we can't even perceive, and they can smell blood in the water from a distance of over 3 miles. Orca. 3. The orcas are what's known as an apex predator. This means that they're at the very top of their food chain. They have absolutely no natural predators except humans. They have quite a broad diet, including sea lions, octopuses, and even the last entry on our list, sharks. There's a very good reason that the orca has become known as the killer whale. It's an effective hunter who uses its black and white coloring as a form of camouflage, masking its exact shape and size from any prey who might be trying to escape it. 2. Eagles. The most efficient predator in the air is the eagle. It's got incredibly powerful eyesight, so it can find a rabbit from up to 3 kilometers away. To put this in perspective, this would be like standing on the 10th story of a building looking down at the ground and being able to spot an ant walking along the pavement. Not only that, but eagles can grow wingspans of up to 2.5 meters, yet they only weigh about 8 kilos. This is because, like most birds, they have completely hollow bones, making them incredibly efficient flying and hunting machines. Brazilian wandering spider. 1. Brazilian wandering spider. There are hundreds of different types of venomous spiders, but the most venomous, all the way from South America, we find the Brazilian wandering spider. Its venom is as strong as any snake's and can lead to loss of muscle control, breathing problems, and eventually respiratory paralysis, as well as intense pain. As you might guess from the name, they tend not to hide on a web in a dark corner. They love to wander around, and they can turn up in all sorts of places: log piles, cars, and bunches of bananas. In fact, they do this so often they've also become known as banana spiders. Stay tuned to YouCurious to discover more. No more. The